Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I will actually say it again and again. It seems a lot of people are missing on a lot of the information about this update. This probably will be the last message for now on this update problem. Until Microsoft issues a fix, then we'll talk about it. I just want to make sure everybody understands that the failed update, a lot of people are asking me if now that's a security risk and they're scared of using their PC, and should they use their PC until the fix or not. Yes, absolutely. I will actually tell you once again, this update that fails, which is KB5034441. I got it here. It installed on mine because my recovery partition was okay. But if you have it failed, and a lot of you have it failed, remember, just ignore. It doesn't matter. As of today, I believe it is pulled, so it might not show up anymore. And even if it does, just ignore it. The security fix for this brings a security fix to BitLocker. So most home users do not use BitLocker. That means this update is actually useless for people that will never use BitLocker. That is why they should have limited, first of all, who gets it or not. There should be a scan, and maybe just for those that are using BitLocker, you get this update. Those that are not getting it. I think that should have been the way they pushed the update. But unfortunately, they did not, and they're even pushing it on home users that do not have BitLocker. So it's not a security risk for anyone. And even if you're using BitLocker, it's a limited security risk because you need to have access to the computer. So that means it's not just, using your PC online. That is a problem. It's really somebody, a hacker, a bad guy, would need to have access to your PC in order to do the bypass for BitLocker. And this is what it fixes. So it is limited. And, I get a lot of people saying, well, yeah, but if I get my laptop stolen, I use BitLocker, got sensitive data. If you get your laptop stolen, 9 out of 10 times, they don't care about your data. They're going to wipe it off, and they're going to sell it as a used PC. That's it. That is also something you got to remember. It's not because your PC is being stolen, they're stealing data. Most of the time, they're stealing it just to, go on and sell it as a new PC or as a used PC to somebody else. So it is very limited. People are always on the first level of, oh, well, I get it stolen, so I got sensitive data. It must be, unless you have somebody that's stealing it for the sensitive data specifically, for the most part, I tell you, this is too much hype for a security risk that is very low technically, in the sense that, you got to have access, and even if you have access, it's got to be somebody that's interested in what's in your PC's data. So it's not much of a problem, even if you're using BitLocker. And of course, like I always say, it's always better to have the security updates, and if it works fine, that's fixed. But I wouldn't worry. It's too much worrying. Doesn't help anything. And once again, any user, home user, this has no security hazard whatsoever. It's not a problem, so don't worry about it. The other updates that installed this week, those are the ones that are important. Those are the ones that are keeping you safe, not this failed update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.